Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Nissan Altima headlights. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. Next, park your Altima on a level surface, facing a wall or garage door. It's important to ensure your tire pressure is correct for an accurate adjustment. Finally, locate the two adjustment screws on each headlight assembly, one for vertical and one for horizontal aim. Now, let's prepare your vehicle and the wall. Park your Altima exactly 25 feet away from a flat wall or garage door. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of one of your low-beam headlights. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking a horizontal line. Then, mark two vertical lines on the wall, aligning them with the center of each headlight. With your car and wall marked, it's time to adjust the vertical aim. Turn on your low-beam headlights. Identify the vertical adjustment screw on the headlight assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, slowly turn this screw. You want the brightest part of the headlight beam to be centered on the vertical line, with the top edge of the beam pattern falling about 2 inches below your horizontal mark. Finally, let's ensure everything is perfect. If your Altima has a horizontal adjustment screw, use it to center the beam on the vertical line. Repeat the process for the other headlight, ensuring both are aimed evenly. Once adjusted, take your car for a test drive on a dark road to confirm the beams provide optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Make any small, precise adjustments as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.